Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me here on my channel, Septeria's Room. Now that Christmas is over for 2025, I am looking forward to heading back into my craft room, making some projects and sharing with you what I create and tutorials, and also what's ahead for 2026. For those that celebrated Christmas, I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas with your family and your loved ones, and looking forward to 2026. And I wanted to do a quick share in this video and show you what my daughter had gifted me for Christmas. And she gifted me a bunch of paper pads and papers. And I just thought I'll share with you the paper pads because I haven't really had a proper look at them myself. And I also want to show you the digitals that I will be working. I'm just finishing off. Hopefully I'll be able to have them listed in my Etsy store in a week or so. So I want to show you a sneak peek of the digitals, and they're very, very pretty and very shabby. I also will be doing a lot of more paper tutorials for you and some fun projects. But let me show you what my daughter Tanisha, she gave me all of these really lovely 6x8 paper pads and some 12x12 papers and a 6x6 paper pad. I won't go through all of the pages. I'll just show you just a quick flip through. These were purchased from Spotlight here in Sydney. We don't have a lot of craft stores here in Sydney, so I think Spotlight, and there are a couple of other stores here that we can purchase them. Otherwise it's online. These ones, so this is a Park Lane 6x8 single-sided papers, and the papers are just really pretty and a lot of lovely pop colors inside. So I'm looking forward to working with these papers and showing you some projects that I've got in mind to make. And single-sided is sometimes a bit hard for me to work with because I do a lot of folding with my projects. So when it's single-sided, I've got to try and work out a way so that the white part doesn't show. But this will still be fun to work with. Let me see this one. I'll put that one to the side first. So these three are paper Park Lane collections. So this is, which one did I just show you? I think this was the one that I showed you. And then there is this one here. This is really lovely too. I haven't even opened the sides. I'll just do it this way. So I think you get two sheets, two copies per paper pads. So you get two of each patterns. That's pretty. Lovely bright colors. These ones have a lot of orange in them and summery colors. That's nice too. And the papers are fairly sort of thick. They're not very thin scrapbook paper. It's 200 GM. I'm not sure what that means. I think it's 200 GSM thickness, 73.9 pounds, I think. So these are great to use for journal covers, making gift boxes, packaging, envelopes. So you can use these for lots of projects. This is another one. I like this one. And this one here. It's got some, I should really take off the stickers so we can have a proper look. I'll just take this one out. I like this one. This one's pretty. Let's have a look at this one. Just try and get this out. It's a bit better this way. So some cutter parts, you get two of those. Strawberries. Beautiful papers and very nice quality as well. And I think Spotlight is having a Boxing Day sale, so you may be able to still grab these at a special deal. Oh, this is pretty too. And the papers are just easy to work with, and they all seem to coordinate well with each of these different paper pads that I've just shared with you. That's lovely too. So these were the 3 Park Lane. Thank you so much, Tanisha, for purchasing these for me for my Christmas present. And this one here is a Page Evans 6x9 paper pad as well, and I think this is also single-sided. And all of her papers are always fun to work with. I love all of her paper patterns. They're always bright and happy. Sorry, I'm just trying to get the sticker off the side of the paper pad. Nice and lots of florals, and I think these are also 2 pages. You get two prints. See how nice and bright the colours are. Some cut aparts, which will be fun to add to your projects. And if I'm not wrong, there are coordinating die cuts and ephemera pieces to the paper pad, and I think there are also 12x12 papers. This one is called Happy Haven. So I think there are coordinating sets to go with this paper pad. This is beautiful. I also got a 6x6 paper pad. This is by Crafter's Choice. This is an Australian brand, or a Spotlight brand, I think. This is baby boy paper collection. I have a feeling she got this for me, so she could probably wants me to make a little project for her baby Theodore. So I might be able to make something for him using this paper. I just want to see what the papers are. And I think this is also single-sided. I'm just trying to put the sticker off. Here we go. I found that. Some nice soft blues. Some cut aparts in there too. I think this one you get 4. You get 4 copies. Oh, this is really lovely. Very nice paper pad. Perfect for a little boy. So that's that one. And then she also spoiled me with, oh, here we go. There is also the coordinating 12x12 single-sided paper that goes with the 6x6. And this one comes with stickers and ribbon. So there's a sticker page and some ribbon, so you can have a little mini kit in there. So I won't open this one because it's, I think, pretty similar to what's in this paper pad, but that's another one. And then there are these ones. These are Rosie Studio, and you can purchase these at Spotlight or from Rosie Studio's online store. These are also lovely papers. I think these are single-sided papers as well. I was part of their design team not too long ago. But I'm no longer part of their design team as I don't have a lot of time to keep up with their collections and getting the projects ready for them. So I just decided to just make them when I purchase them myself. But these are, so this one is Jubilee 12x12 paper collection, and I think you can get this in 6x6 papers and coordinating die cuts, stickers, puffy stickers, ephemera pieces. So there are coordinating pieces to go with the Rosie Studio papers. And I have worked with a lot of her papers in my recent projects. But this is really lovely. It's pretty lovely pink. And single-sided and also nice and thick as well. Some love hearts, which would be perfect coming close to Valentine's Day. I'm looking forward to making some Valentine projects as well, so I can't wait to share them with you. This is great if you're doing some planners, or if you're doing a planner journal for the year. Got the calendar. Also nice bright colors, and you get one single page or paper to a pack. And then I've got some butterflies. So how many papers do you get in here? You get 20 sheets of 12 by 12 papers and 3 foiled pages. 180 GSM thickness. So it's a great thickness. I'm just going to go flip that way now. Well, that's nice. It's a gold music sheet. So these are lovely papers. This is the Jubilee collection. And then we have A Day to Remember. These are nice soft colours. I'm just going to rip the plastic out of the camera because it's crinkly noise. I don't want you to hear it crackling. Sorry. So this also has coordinating papers, coordinating 6x6 paper pad and cutter pass, ephemera, stickers, sheets and puffy stickers. I think there's a few other stuff. You can have a look online, and there's a whole heap of papers there, collections, so pretty. So this is A Day to Remember. This is just as beautiful. So we've got that. Hot air balloons. Can't wait to make some fun projects for 2026. And I'm also thinking of recreating some of my past projects with new papers as well, to sit, because I want to go back and recreate some of my past projects that I've made, and just to refresh my memory of how to make them as well. This is lovely. Isn't it pretty? I love florals. I love pink. The next one, and then this one. Just beautiful, beautiful papers. Okay, so that is that one. So that's all the papers that I've received. I'm really happy with all of them. And so I thought I'd just share you my little paper haul. And now I'm just going to show you a quick look at my digitals that I will be finishing and working on for this month. I'm still working on another collection, and I'm also working on the Valentine digital collection as well. I haven't got a title name for this collection as yet. So these are my new digitals that are just about finished, and I can't wait to make some lovely journals and some fun projects with these. So this is one of them. Isn't it just lovely? I love the shabbiness of it. It's just got that vintage vibe, shabby, antique feel, but still has a bit of elegance to the design, which I like. So that's that one. I'll just go that way, and then this is the next one. Sorry, I don't have a lot of room here on frame, so this is another one. And I do try and make my designs so that the patterns don't sort of just go one way. I want it so that you can have you can cut your paper or work on your projects this way or this way. So you can fold it that way. If you wanted to make a journal that way, you could also fold it that way. Because I do like papers that don't have a direction, so that you're not limited to how you want to fold your papers. And this is another one. And then we've got some neutrals. And this makes some great background papers as well on your journal pages. That's another one. And this is also, you can go that way if you like. You can go that way, fold it that way, fold it that way, or that way. I've also added some touches of pink to the background. This one with some musical sheet background. And these you can cut in half, and I made it so that you can cut this in half and make these as like journal covers, which I've got a project idea on how I was going to make these as a journal cover, and hopefully I'll be able to quickly make the project so I can show you how I'm going to make it. And then there are these postcards that I've made, and I made these so that you can make these into little mini booklets. I think I was going to make one for Christmas, but I didn't get a chance to finish it. And I made a Christmas digital. It's in my Etsy store. And it came in these sort of postcards, which are the same as these ones. I've just changed the images. These were my Christmas theme one that's in my Etsy store now. And what I decided to do was make it into this size so that you can fold it in half. And I did distress the edges with some distressed ink, and then I printed the back of the paper with the background print, and you just fold that in half. And I thought these would make cute little mini booklets. So I didn't get to finish the booklet because I ran out of time, because I got really busy with getting myself ready for Christmas with family. But it was just to make cute little mini booklets. And then I just tore some tea stain paper to fit it inside. And I was going to add a couple more little bits and pieces of papers in here, and then staple it together to make a little mini booklet. You know, I just staple it in the middle there. And then you've got yourself some little mini booklets to tuck into some Happy Mail, or just a little booklet for yourself to add inside your Christmas journals. So I decided to make some more with some other images, so they're all very feminine feel to it. And you can just do the same and cut these out and make them into little mini booklets. So that's that one. So I'm just got to finish off the ephemera digitals to go with the papers. And then there is also this one. This is really lovely too. So you could cut these out and make these as note cards, or collage these and make them into your journal covers. And then I've made them into the smaller size as well. So I've just got a few more pages to do, and then I will have these listed in my shop. I do love this digital kit collection. So I just thought I would just come here quickly and share with you my little haul of paper pads and my new digital release that's going to come out very soon. I hope you enjoyed this haul, and I'll see you very soon with some projects. Bye for now.